Stop everything you're doing because your reality is about to be shattered. Did you know that right now, on planets not too far from us, it is literally raining diamonds? Or that the very person you see in the mirror is technically made of ancient stardust? Most of what we were taught in school is barely scratching the surface of how weird the universe actually is. Today, we're diving into the facts that sound like pure science fiction, but are 100% real. If you want to unlock a higher level of knowledge, stay until the very end because the last fact will make you question the very concept of time itself. Let's start with the sky above us. We often think of space as a cold, empty vacuum, but it's actually home to some of the most violent and valuable weather in existence. On Saturn and Jupiter, the atmospheric pressure is so intense that it turns carbon into crystals. Imagine a storm where trillions of carats of diamonds fall like hailstones. While we struggle for wealth on Earth, the cosmos is literally overflowing with it. But space isn't just about riches, it's about perspective. Did you know that there are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? While there are roughly 100 to 400 billion stars, Earth boasts over 3 trillion trees. We often look up to find wonder, but the real complexity is right beneath our feet. Speaking of complexity, let's talk about you. Your body is a biological masterpiece that defies logic. For instance, your stomach acid is so potent that it can dissolve stainless steel. The only reason it doesn't eat through your own body is because your stomach lining completely regenerates every few days. You are essentially a walking, talking chemical furnace. And if you think your memories are safe, think again. Every time you remember an event from your past, you aren't remembering the actual event, you're remembering the last time you remembered it. Before we get into the truly mind-bending history facts, I want to take a second to invite you into our community of high achievers. If you value knowledge and want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button right now. Now, back to the secrets of our past. You might think of the Egyptian pyramids as ancient, and they are, but did you know that when the Great Pyramid of Giza was being built, there were still woolly mammoths roaming the earth? Let's move to the ocean, a place we know less about than the surface of Mars. Hidden in the deep is a creature called the immortal jellyfish. It has effectively cheated death. In the world of geography, the Sahara Desert wasn't always a barren wasteland. Only 6,000 years ago, this massive expanse of sand was a lush, green paradise filled with lakes and wildlife. And what about the food we eat? Honey is the only food that truly lasts forever. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and are still perfectly edible. Let's talk about the speed of reality. Light travels so fast that when you look at the sun, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago. If the sun suddenly vanished, we wouldn't even know it for nearly 9 minutes. But here is the real kicker: time is relative. If you spent a year on a ship traveling at nearly the speed of light, you would return to Earth to find that decades had passed. You would be a time traveler. As we wrap up today's journey, remember that curiosity is the greatest asset you possess. Don't forget to like this video if it blew your mind, and comment below which fact shocked you the most.